Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been long I was not creating any video in my channel. The reason behind Binance. I was busy to doing some online trading, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, all those things. Now we all have a dream to be rich, to have a good life, having house, having luxury car, but we should know how and more easy way how we can reach there. I will say my opinion to everybody. If you are not believing in online trading or Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, please go and do more education on these. There are thousands and millions of videos in online in YouTube. You can follow someone. If you want, you can check in your language to understand much better, and do not wait for more time. Just do a little investment. We all are spending money. We don't know how much money has been gone from our life. If a little amount of money we invest in Binance, after few years you are really gonna receive a huge large amount of money which can change your life. You can do business, you can make your house, you can do whatever you like, but do not wait. That's only I will suggest. I have given my link on my video down. Just click on this. It's a free application. You go and do your accounts today and do more education on this. Whenever you feel free and you understand that this is the right platform for you to invest, please go ahead and make your life beautiful. Thank you for watching.